Hi, I'm Miss Teresa and welcome back to Make It Monday. Today we're going to make an ornament tree. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to make our Christmas or holiday centerpiece or decoration, whatever you want to use it for. So a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need some string, if you have fishing string. I like the clear string, that way you don't see it. Use whatever you want. You're going to need a deal of ornaments from the Dollar Tree. It does come with string in it, so if you want to use that, you can. You will need a deal of shower rods from the Dollar Tree. I got the clear. Excuse me, I got the clear, so you can get whatever color you want. If you want to spray it, spray paint it, you can. If you don't have to. I'm just going to leave mine clear. And then last thing you're going to want is a pan, a tray from the Dollar Tree. This is just a small metal one. This is perfect for what I want. You don't want it too deep because you don't want it, you want to be able to see everything, okay? I'm not going to spray paint mine, so I don't need the spray paint. You use it if you need to. Lastly, you will need your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and of course, your trusty dusty scissors. Okay, so what we're going to start off by doing is taking our rings. And for this, you're going to need 10 rings, okay? Now your package comes with 12, so if some of them are broken or chipped or whatever, you can always have a couple extra, okay? So then we're going to take the balls, and again we're going to need 10 of these. So you're going to need, I'm doing it multicolor, so you're going to need 5 of the gold or rose gold and then 5 of the white. So there's 15 in the package. I'm not going to need all 15. I'm going to need 5 and 5. So if any of them are missing some of the paint or glitter, or they're broken or they're chipped, you will have extra. Now, on my balls, you can see some of them have dirt spots and stuff like that. So I want to make sure I don't put those in there. I want the best ones possible in my display, okay? So we're going to start off with this, your thread or string, whatever you want to call it. And you don't need that much. So you want to cut enough so that whenever you string it through here, you can tie it to your ring. Now you're going to go 4 across the bottom. You're going to go 4 across the bottom, and I would suggest putting where it connects, putting that down on your tray first and hot gluing it that way, because these are a little flatter here at the bottom, so they have more surface space that you're going to be able to glue, okay? Because if you try to glue the round, you don't get as much surface space. That's just my opinion. You do whatever you want to do, okay? So, what we do first is we're going to tie all of these to our ring. So it's like that, okay? And the reason why you want to tie all these first is because then you're just building and gluing, okay? You do want it to hang just ever so slightly, and it's not going to hang that much. So I'm going to tie these up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. Cleaning up as we go. So all of our balls are finished. They have the ring around them. So now we're going to layer them onto our tray. So you could either do a layer of one color, layer of another color, so on and so forth. I'm going to interchange mine, okay? And you want a hefty amount of glue on your bottom layer to make sure it really sticks. And give it a few minutes. You're going to make sure that this really sticks. It is a cold plate. It is metal. It should stick fairly quickly. You can also use E6000, but remember E6000 does not dry instantaneous, whereas your hot glue does. So you could use both if you want to use both. And then put some on the side where they're going to touch, just to make sure that they do stick. Okay, so that's my first two. It should look like that. I'm going to put one more on each side, and then you're going to build up into a triangle. All right, so that's our first layer. It has 4 down on it. Now we're going to put one in between each spot, making it build up. And that's another reason why I left mine clear, is because my glue is clear and I really didn't want to see the glue. Like I said, you could spray paint it. That's up to you, but however you want to do it. I'm leaving mine clear. And you could do this with as many colors as you want. Or you could do them all monotone colors. Or you could do a layer of red, a layer of green, a layer of white, and then a layer of gold, however you want to do it. Whoops, don't drop, don't dribble, don't dribble. It's going to dribble. Of course it is. All right, and there you have it. So that is my ornaments tree. And the last thing I would do is add a little fake snow around the bottom. You can also add some greenery, however you want. But that is your display for Christmas. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again for joining us for this edition of Make It Monday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you had fun making your ornament tree. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations. Also follow us for any upcoming events that we have at the library. Thank you. Bye.